Hi, mayong adlaw, Jun Tariman here for High Tech Tabay channel on YouTube. Today I'm going to discuss about financial technology applications or FinTech. So just stay relaxed. I am behind the camera so that you can concentrate watching my PowerPoint presentation. So FinTech has helped a lot of countries, including the Philippines, where there are millions of people who don't have access to banks, the regular banks. So with the use of financial technology, people who are able to transfer money, receive money, or even deposit money and earn interest on a digital bank. So that's FinTech. Now, in the Philippines, there are about six FinTech apps, and here's the most popular ones or the pioneers in the sector. We have GCash from Globe Telecoms. We have PayMaya from Smart Communications. We have Coins.ph, and we have CIMB Bank of Malaysia. And now there's a new kid in town, and it's quite popular. This is called DiskarTech. So quite familiar because of the Filipino word discarte plus the technology. So discarte. Discarte means the way we save ourselves from a very distasteful situation, the way we save ourselves from a crisis, or it's our own way of showing our resiliency. So that's discarte. That's basically the purpose of this app, to help people by making any means to survive. So that's Discarte. So who owns this Discarte app? Now, DiskarTech is a bank deposit account offered by RCBC, Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. So this is legit. It's not a scam. This is a bank supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The official name of this application is DiskarTech BDA. BDA means Basic Deposit Account. So in other words, DiskarTech is a digital bank. Okay, you cannot find a physical branch of DiskarTech, although it is owned by RCBC. Okay, now since it's a mobile or digital bank, it earns an interest higher than the regular banks. The rate is 3.25% per annum, and that's really higher than the interest rate by the regular banks, which is only about point something, 0.1, 0.2. Now, it also offers zero requirements on initial deposit. In the regular banks, you are required to deposit a certain amount. Here, kahit zero, pwede ka mag-open ng DiskarTech account. Now, there's also no maintaining balance, meaning kahit na mag-zero yung balance mo, your account will not be closed, unlike in the regular banks. And also, it has no average daily balance required to earn interest. In the banks, in the regular banks, you must have at least 5,000 pesos to earn an interest. Here, kahit 1 peso nimo nabilin sa iyong account can earn interest on the basis of the interest rate of 3.25% per annum. Okay? Now, the features of this application are quite similar to other FinTech applications. This was released on June 30, 2020, and since it's released on June 30, so panahon ni sa quarantine where everyone has been locked down in their homes. So on the Google Play, it already has 500,000 downloads. So 500,000 in just over a month since June 30. And this is already equivalent to the downloads of CIMB. CIMB was released on December 2018. That's almost two years ago. Although GCash, the pioneer of this business, has already 10 million plus downloads, PayMaya and Coins.ph has 5 million plus downloads each. Sila may naguna. So, syempre, mas daghan na sila. But for a span of 1 month, an app has a 500,000 downloads. That's intriguing. So why? We'll find the answers after I just go over some of the features of this FinTech apps now available in the Philippines. Now, GCash and PayMaya, these two, not only they are rivals in telecommunications, they also have a rivalry, a sort of, in this digital wallet. So Paymaya and GCash are digital wallets. That's why you can see here balance, Paymaya available balance. I blacken it because these are my personal accounts, okay? Now, so meaning digital wallet, you can put money in there. You can cash in, you can deposit money, you can fund your digital wallet and use that digital wallets in paying bills, in paying someone, or you can buy anything and you can use GCash and Paymaya. Both have physical cards. So, ako physical cards for Paymaya and GCash, which I can use in any transactions online or in department stores or anywhere. Okay? Now, since these are digital wallets, your money in there will not earn interest. Okay? Kaya digital wallet man lang siya. However, in GCash, you have a saving feature which is called GSave. GSave is operated by CIMB Bank of Malaysia. That's why this GSave on GCash can also be found on the CIMB app. So you can save money here with an interest of 3.1. So pupareha lang sa DiskarTech, ang interest rates mas higher pa rin against the interest rate of the regular banks. And also, GCash offers credit. Pwede ka mangutang, no? And you can pay that in 30 days at 5% interest. Medyo taas-taas ang interest. And on GCash, you can also invest money. Here, the investment is managed by Atram. It's a mutual fund, so you can save money. Now, Paymaya is also doing something. I think they are already experimenting the same features of GCash. Okay, so ganun siya. Now, Coins.ph. Coins.ph is also a digital wallet. Here, you can see here. The only difference of Coins.ph against GCash and Paymaya is you can convert your pesos on your digital wallet into cryptocurrency like BTC, Bitcoins, ATH, and Bitcoin's Cash, and XRP. So meaning, you can trade cryptocurrency using the Coins.ph. You can see here, there's a button here, convert. So for example, if you have 100 pesos on your peso account, you can convert that into BTC, ATH, or BCH, or XRP, or vice versa. So you just wait for some gains, and sometimes you lose. Okay, so Coins.ph is a cryptocurrency app where there are also other features that are available in GCash and Paymaya. Okay, so klaro na yan. Ang kapat is CIMB. CIMB, as I've said, it's a digital bank, so you can deposit money there. And pero doon na siya another feature under the product, you can avail of a loan. Meron siyang loan facility, so you can apply for a personal loan, and every process is done on the app. So diya ka mag-apply mismo. Okay? Now, let's go to the DiskarTech. Okay? So this is DiskarTech. So the question is, what is DiskarTech? Anong magagawa ko dito? Ito ang sagot nila sa kanilang application sa app. Ang DiskarTech ay ang unang Taglish super app sa bansa. Isa itong all-in-one super app kung saan pwede kang magbukas ng savings account, mag-deposit at mag-withdraw ng pera sa mga partner channels tulad ng 7-Eleven at Bayad Center, mag-ipon ng pera, mag-transfer ng pera sa ibang mag-DiskarTech, magbayad ng bills at bumili ng load pati telemedicine products. Okay, so that's the summary of what is DiskarTech. And you observe it's Taglish. Okay, now, so you can deposit money in DiskarTech. That's why there are partners here of DiskarTech which you can use where you can deposit money to your account. Taningnan, makita mo dire is it's still zero ang aking balance. But limited pa ang partners ng DiskarTech, so not even banks. You cannot deposit money through banks, not even RCBC. So wala pa silang facility that you can deposit money to your wallet through the banks. And another feature of the DiskarTech which is not or which cannot be found in other FinTech apps is the telemedicine. So it's just a online consultation. You have just to buy or pay a package here, This is $799 for a 15-month subscription. So it's a consultation, online consultation. So it's just a service. Okay? Now, the other question is, kikita ba ako dyan? Sabi ng DiskarTech, pwedeng kumita ng hanggang 30,000 pesos kada buwan gamit ang DiskarTech. Mag-refer lang ng kakilala at ibigay ang iyong negosyante code sa bawat ma-DiskarTech na gagamit nito pang-register at na-verify ang account nila ay may 30 pesos ka. Okay? So remember that. You have to verify. In my example here, ongoing ang verification. Okay? That's what 00 pa siya. Wala pa siyang pera. Now, i-explain natin to na maigi. Sabi dito is you can earn 30,000 pesos every month. Up to 30,000 every month. Okay? Now, once i-click mo tong account dito, makikita mo dito siya, ang account number mo. This is my account number. Then, meron din ditong mag-invite ng friends sa DiskarTech. When you click that, you can see the negosyante code, or this is now the invite code. Ito yung ibibigay mo sa mga invitees mo para magamit nila when they install the app. You can also share that code through this button. Now, once an invitee installed the app and input the invitee code or the negosyante code, in my case, my negosyante code is AAIA9471. Again, my negosyante code or invitee code is AA9471. Now, if my invitee will install the app, they will be asked to input the invitee code. If they will input the invitee code, my invitee code, they will earn 10 pesos. So makita nyo dito, mayroon ng 10 pesos. But they can only earn the 10 pesos after they will successfully verify their account. What are the process of verifying the accounts? The same with other financial services. You'll be asked to submit or upload your valid ID, and you will do a selfie on the app mismo. Okay? So, ganun siya. Okay, let's proceed para maintindihan natin to. So, meron ka ng 10 pesos sa iyong account. Once you verify your account, you will earn 10 pesos provided that the invitee code ay nilagay mo doon sa app. Okay? After you install it. Okay. Now, again, there are 3 ways to earn using DiskarTech. Number 1, syempre, you have to deposit money and earn a 3.25% interest rate per annum. The second one is use invite code and verify your account. So, yung sinabi ko kanina, you will earn 10 pesos after installing the app and input the invite code. The third way to earn money here is reward per successful invitee. Yun ang 30 pesos. So once ma-verify yung account mo, naka-earn ka ng 10 pesos because you're using my invitee code, and at the same time, I will also earn 30 pesos because your account has already been verified. So ganon. So now, let's do some mathematics here. If you have, for example, you have 10 invitees and all of these 10 invitees have successfully installed the app and put the invitee code, and at the same time, you already earn 30 pesos from each of them. So 10 times 30, that's 300 pesos. Now, to earn 30,000 pesos in a month, you have to invite 1,000 people. Ganon siya karami. Okay? Now, again, can this be sustainable? The reward system, can this be sustainable? Considering or granting that there are 500,000 plus downloads or users, assuming that all of these 500,000 users were able to install successfully the app and subsequently verify their accounts, then RCBC has already paid 10 pesos each of these 500,000 users. And that's about 5 million pesos. Exactly, 5 million pesos. Now, since all of them were able to verify their accounts. The one who invite them also earned 30 pesos. So, RCBC also paid 15 million pesos in total for all of these users, the 500,000 plus. So, RCBC has already paid 20 million for all of these users now. So, sustainable ba to? So, let's make another computation. Granting the 500,000 users now of DiskarTech was able or is able to invite 1,000 people, and all of these 1,000 people were able to verify their account, resulting to a 30 peso earning to your account. So, ikaw may nag-invite o sila may nag-invite, so doon ay 30 pesos nga nabayaran ang RCBC. So, you compute that. 30,000 times 500,000, that's a whooping 15 billion pesos. Kaya ito yung bayaran ng RCBC? Although RCBC in their 2019 financial statement said that they have a total asset of 700, I think, more than 700 billion pesos, but their net earnings in the same year, 2019, is only about 5 billion pesos. So this is 15 billion. So time will come that RCBC will pay 15 billion in total. Although this is not a scam, as I think, and because we don't invest, we only our own investment here. Our only investment here is time in inviting people. This is also precious time. Okay, that's the only way. That's the only investment here. Your time. Okay. So again, if you want to join this DiskarTech app, the financial technology offered by RCBC, you can use my inviting code. That's AA or double A IA 9471. And don't forget to subscribe High Tech Tabay on YouTube so that you'll be informed or alerted whenever I have a new video uploaded on this channel. Daghang Salamat.